How to add and follow WhatsApp channels. In this video, I'll show you how to add and follow WhatsApp channels in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the app and tapping on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find suggested channels and trending content that you can follow. To discover more channels, tap on Explore More. Then use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the channel you're looking for. WhatsApp will display channels related to your search. Simply tap the Follow button next to any channel you'd like to join. After following a channel, it will automatically appear in your Updates tab, where you can view the latest posts and announcements from that channel. If you don't see the Channels feature, it may not be available in your region yet, or your app may need to be updated. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add and follow WhatsApp channels. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.